YouTubers, Swil Phist coming at you from here in my living room. And I'm going to be playing some guitar with you today, the classic instrument, popular with the younger folks these days. I'm going to be doing a vocal warm-up tutorial again. I've been getting a lot of requests for some follow-up tutorials, and so that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm here for. I aim to please. But before you go any further, I want to caution you, please go to the link below and do the vocal warm-ups that I prepared for you earlier. You don't want to hurt yourself and dislodge or dislocate anything. You've got to make sure you activate the abdomen and isolate the jaw, and it's very important that you do all of those things. But I'm going to be sharing with you something today that I've learned at conservatory, really, and this stuck with me forever. If you want to really master a song, you've got to not just learn the song. That's what most people, that's the pitfall. Not just learn the song, but learn it in all 12 keys. Even 13 or 14 keys. Go crazy. You should really do the whole thing. I'm going to be, you can pick any song you like. I'm going to be singing Simple Simon. It's one of my old favorites. Everybody knows it, so I'm going to just share it with you today. This is great, even for you ladies out there. You can follow along, and as I get to the higher keys, just join right in. I mean, we all know the words. So here we go, Simple Simon. Every musician should always remember they have to tune up before you start. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the key of D minor now we'll start. Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your wares. Make some great pies. Says the man to Simple Simon, show me first your penny, 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 penny. Says Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Says Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your wares. Says the man to Simple Simon, show me first your penny. Says Simple Simon to the pieman, indeed I have not any. Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Says Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your wares. Wares. Simple Simon met a pieman going to the slight adjustment. Where Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Says Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your wares. Says Simple Simon Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Says Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your wares. Well, that's pretty much all I got for you.